Solution consulting at Litera is our post-sale adoption support. A lot of companies provide support when something breaks. Our solution consulting team is here to provide support from day one and ensure that things are running smoothly for our customers.
We were able to create a team called the Legal Product Consulting Team. They are recently practicing lawyers who work with the solutions consultants to go on site and run multi-day workshops and in-depth product training.
Our solution consultants are there to enable the organization, provide demos, user trainings, admin trainings, also come on site to help with broader rollouts when new solutions are brought into the organization.
LPCs come in for a week, and at the beginning of the week, they might have nothing set up, and by the end of the week, your firm will be set up to have everything customized for what you need.
We've had a number of customers a bit surprised that we offered this support and that we could come on site and help them and really guide them on for some new solutions that they're rolling out. They've been craving that and wanting that.
We know how good the product is and how helpful it is and how much time the lawyers are going to save.
Litera is raising the bar for our customers by putting their needs and their feedback at the forefront of all that we do.